When I was looking at re-enlisting, I considered my job and the equivalent on the outside, and I looked at all the people I worked with, and I don't think I could find something quite like this on the outside.
I've always wanted to be in the Air Force. I've always wanted to serve my country, and I'm enjoying my career field.
I definitely like the maintenance world. I like my job. I like the opportunities I've been given. I just really enjoy it.
When they come back and everything's good and you see that they made it to their mission, they picked up wounded people or put supplies out to the front lines, that's rewarding because you're a part of that.
As a dedicated crew chief, I actually will get assigned to a certain aircraft, and my name will be on that aircraft.
Seeing my name put on the plane for the first time, it was a very personal feeling. It felt like I was personally responsible for that aircraft, for its safeguard, for its maintenance. So I felt more entrusted in the care of a multi-million-dollar weapon. There's a lot of camaraderie that's built because of your understanding and your level of dependability. So you build your camaraderie based on how much you put into your career field.
Really, we all are a family. No matter what, we're there for each other.
I run into guys constantly that I haven't seen maybe in 3 or 4 years, and it's like I've never missed a moment, and I would have never got that in a different job.